This is a very special video where I unbox, without the box, a very special gift from my lovely friend Michelle at Royal River Art. And this is part of Talent Tuesday with my other dear friend Marie-Louise Art, where we actually both unbox stuff from Michelle. And here it is, the wonderful piece. As soon as I saw this, I knew I wanted it. And this was part of Michelle's color series that she's been doing, and it's the color white. And as soon as I saw it, I was just entranced. It is such a romantic type painting. It's only in white. Of course, she had to use black for the tree, but just the variations in the white that she added in to get that moon and those clouds, and just the depth, that transition between the clouds and then the mist that's lying on the ground. It just kind of reminds me of Scotland and just such a peaceful, tranquil day. And I'm out for a stroll heading towards these trees on a night where there's a full moon. And it's just amazing. It speaks to me the way a lot of paintings haven't spoken to me, and it's just so cool. I'm trying to show here that in the white, she had a kind of silver in on those clouds around the moon, and then off to the side, that silvery color kind of goes a little gold, which is very much what the moon does. It's extraordinary. This piece in person is extraordinary. Like so many works of art, they're fantastic to see on the screen, but when you see them in person, they are just so much more. And Michelle, I can't thank you enough for doing this painting for me. And there you see it, Bella 2024 Royal River Art. Now there's that gold that I was kind of talking about in the clouds. And then there's some silver underneath that's not really coming out, but I'm trying hard to show it here. And it's just wow. I have placed this gorgeous picture in a floater frame and hung it on the wall. This is not where it's gonna go, but it's the best place to just show you where there's enough light for it. And I just love this so much. So Michelle, thank you. From the bottom of my heart, this piece just brings me such joy. It's like a calm, wonderful, cool evening. And I love it. I just love it, with the moon shining, glittering on those clouds, and then also in the mist below. It's such a stunning picture, and I am honored to have it in my home. So again, thank you so much. Please go check out Michelle's channel. It's Royal River Art. I will have it linked in the description below. Please make sure that you go back and see how Michelle created this painting. I will link the video above, and you can click on that link in the top right-hand corner of your screen right now. It will also be in the description below. Again, go visit Michelle's channel and let's get her to 1,000 subscribers.